Are you unhappy and tired of your homemade pasta sauce? You keep looking for that oomph to add to your pasta sauce, but you can't find it. You tried adding basil, garlic, herbs and spices. You even added MSG and you're still not happy. Then I might have the answer for you. It will all start with good ingredients. Get the good stuff when cooking tomato. Go with San Marzano tomatoes. They are not only good on pizza, they can be used with pasta sauce. The same goes with the garlic. Use good quality garlic. The secret is in that can. Can you guess what it is? Can you? Can you? We'll get back to this later. With this recipe, you can use any pasta you like. We will start the cooking process by crushing the garlic with the back of the knife to make them easier to peel. And then roughly chopping the garlic. Until you have something that resembles this. Once the garlic is ready, it's time to heat up your water for the pasta. Don't forget to add in the salt. A quick side note, if you plan to finish your dish with some pecorino cheese, add in less salt because pecorino can be very salty. So make sure that you don't add too much salt in the water. But if you plan to finish off with some Parmesan, then you can increase the salt. For this recipe, you will need a large pot. It doesn't have to be a Dutch oven. You can use any large pot you have, because we plan to do a one pot pasta. To that pot, add in a large quantity of olive oil. Enough olive oil that will cover the base of the pot and a little extra. Add to the olive oil your roughly chopped garlic. Cook them in the olive oil until they soften a little bit. This is an optional step. You can add some parsley stem or basil stem to the olive oil and the garlic to add and infuse some flavor. You don't have to do it, it's optional. Going back to the secret ingredient, it's anchovies. If you are still on the sidelines about using anchovies, here's a shot of me using some fancy tongue to pick up the anchovies. Oh, who am I kidding? If you made it up to here, you like anchovies. You take the whole can and you chuck it in with the olive oil and the garlic. Don't forget to take out the stem before stirring in the anchovies. Don't leave the stem in. Start breaking the anchovies apart and stir them in until they dissolve completely in the oil. It's time now to add in the tomatoes, carefully, not like me, splashing tomatoes everywhere. Stir everything in, and you can break large pieces of tomatoes with your spoon. Let it cook uncovered for 10 minutes on medium heat. While the sauce cooks, wash and prepare your basil. After the first 10 minutes of cooking, it's time to add in your fresh basil leaves. Stir the leaves in and let them cook for 10 minutes uncovered. By this time, the water should be boiling, and it's time to add in your pasta. You should cook your pasta to al dente so that it can continue cooking all the way through with the sauce. Make sure you read the package on your pasta to see the timing for al dente. Once the pasta is al dente, add it into the sauce. Remember to add in a little bit of the pasta water to your sauce. Make sure that most of the pasta is stirred in and well mixed in the sauce. Now it's time to cover and let it cook until the pasta is done. This is the final result. The only thing left to do is make sure that the pasta is cooked. Finish off with some more basil and add in your pecorino cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Or if you're using parmesan, more parmesan. After stirring in your cheese, your pasta is ready to be served. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with your friend who's looking to make a good tomato sauce. As a serving suggestion, you can add some basil and more cheese. You can always add a drizzle of olive oil if you prefer.